IPEC took its enthusiastic first step aiming to be the best heater company, providing perfect quality and service based on 20 years of experience in the industry and excellent manpower. IPEC touches customers' hearts with interaction of deep trust. Company profile. A summary of the company. Company background. Organization. Business partnership. Certificate of Business Registration and Registration of Chamber of Commerce and Industry. ASME stamp. ISO 9001 and 14001 certificate. Registration of business. Registration of construction business and certification of international contractor. IPEC has 2 factories, and we'd like to introduce major constructions with the detail and photos. After President Y.H. Huang established iPlant Company Limited, with all of his know-how, IPEC, based on all the experience of iPlant, was established in 2015 in the field of industrial heater manufacture and installation as revamping work, emergency work, refactory, any kinds of tank for plant area. IPEC is located in Jeddah City, KSA, with 30 employees including professional technicians. Contact is 12-238-8868, and you could visit to our page with www.ipec.pro. IPEC has high technical and accumulated know-how more than 20 years in heater fabrication, erection and maintenance area, petrochemical plant facility. We shall take step further as a reputable globalized specialist company, not only in Korea, but also in overseas countries. The organization of IPEC consists of site manager, construction manager, safety manager, quality manager, and admin manager. Below the site manager are divided into material managers, welders, refractory technicians, installation technicians, construction managers, plumbing managers, and equipment managers. The head office in Korea consists of 30 employees, including the president. Regarding materials, engineering, and execution of works, they can quickly take actions, even dispatch professional technicians if necessary. IPEC acquired the commercial registration certificate issued in Jeddah Chamber of Commerce, ASME stamp U.S., ISO 9001 and 14001, and certification of international contractor. As it shows, IPEC perfectly has been preparing all the documents related to the works with best service for customer satisfaction. IPEC has 2 factories. Each factories have been operated to be suitable for production of heater and structure. First factory is specialized in pipe cutting and welding assembly. We ship fully assembled heaters if needed. The second factory is that manufacturing and assembling steel and structure. The equipments of the factories are 30 TIG welders, 30 CO2 welders, 20 arc welders, 10-ton, 20-ton, each 4/7 overhead cranes. The inspection equipments are equipped with various inspection equipment such as strength test, thickness gauge, temperature measuring device, pressure measuring device. In recent orders in Korea, we performed 1 CCR heater, 4 heater revamping projects for Formosa, two cracking furnace revamping project for refinery unit. Also exported a reactor charge heater to Pemex Duba project, Mexico. As you see the list, we've been performing many kinds of heater project without any problem, safety and quality. At a project of SK Gas in 2015, radiant moduling was made at the factory, and it was directly shipped to the site. After that, we could complete the site construction more than 2 months earlier. We promote the moduling operation in consideration of the maximum transporting condition in order to install in a shorter time. Performance photos in 2014. 2 of 300-ton radiant and convection module for Hyundai Engineering in Turkmenistan. We performed a radiant moduling work delivered to POSCO Engineering in 2013. It was the very first company to get a success delivering a radiant module in Korea. Manufacturing and installation 8 cylindrical heaters for SK Innovation in 2013. Manufacturing and installation 5 cylindrical heaters with APH system for STC A2 project, Samsung Total in 2013. Course photos for full moduling work. Field vamping work and maintenance work. Photos at the time of shop manufacturing and new installation in refractory lining works. Photos of decomposition refractory work process and thermal reactor refractory repairing work. Course photos for refractory dryout before shipping of completed products. New installation and maintenance work flow photos of incinerator refractory. Various refractory lining works photos and CCR heater burner reformer burner construction photos. Naphtha cracking furnace maintenance work, SKNEP in 2014. Photos of new heater and CCR heater revamping work for FCFC Formosa in 2016 from 2015. Photos of SK Energy emergency work. For heater erections, detailed installation specification is shown as below. After completing the chipping and padding on the foundation column, install first radiant module base and radiant site wall panel. Finish the internal scaffolding work and finish the refractory work. Next step, installing radiant tube and radiant roof and convection module. Install the remaining stack APH system, duct. Finally, perform installing jump over, crossover pining and leak test. CAFCO 5 project storage tank, Doha, Qatar erection work. Bryman water tank project, Jeddah in Saudi Arabia. Water tank detailed installation specification. Major business partnerships in Saudi Arabia and Aramco and SABIC. And major EPC companies are Dalim, GS-E&C, Samsung Engineering, SK E&C, Daewoo E&C, POSCO E&C, IPEC E&C in Korea, and major engineering companies are J&K Heater, JGC, ITT, KTI, KBR, JGC. We've been continuing to cooperate with them to perform many projects. Korean international major clients, EPC and engineering. Location of IPEC Corporation branch office. Location of head office. IPEC will be a company that always treasures value of customers, repaying customers' trust and making the world comfortable for mankind.